The 15th question is integral of x divided by 9 minus 4x square times dx. This logic I have already shared, right? The denominator is second degree and the numerator is first degree. Obviously, the denominator has to be substituted as t. So, solution is 9 minus 4x square should be taken as t. This implies on differentiating both sides, we get minus 8x times dx is equal to dt. So, I need x dx for the numerator. So, I have x dx here. So, x into dx will be equal to minus dt divided by 8. So, take that and substitute it. So, numerator becomes minus dt divided by 8, the whole divided by 9 minus 4x square will be t. So, it is minus 1 by 8 that can be taken out. Integral of dt divided by t is what we are left out with inside. So, integral of 1 by t is going to be log of mod t. We know this. So, minus 1 by 8 into log of mod t plus c. So, minus 1 by 8 times log of, what is the value of mod, what is the value of t? It is 9 minus 4x square plus c. So, this would be the final answer. Minus 1 by 8 times log of 9 minus 4x square plus c.